morning, class 6. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the fourth video lecture of the chapter Changes Around Us. In today's video, we are going to discuss a physical change. What is physical change? A change during which no new substance is formed is called physical change. A change during which no new substance is formed is called physical change. Physical change may be reversible or irreversible. Okay. Next, some example of physical change. Melting of solid, for example ice. If you heat the ice, it will melt into liquid, but if you freeze it again, it will change into solid. Okay. Next is melting of ice. Freezing of liquid. If you freeze the liquid, that will change into solid, and if it melts, it will again change into liquid. Vaporization of liquid. So these are the example of physical change. Condensation of vapor. Right? Next is glowing of bulb. So these are some example. Folding of paper. Right? Stretching. Rubber. These are some example of physical change. Means a change during which no new substance is formed is called physical change. You can also say dissolving of solute in solvent. It is also example of physical change. Okay. So what is physical change? A change during which no new substance is formed is called physical change. For example, if I ask you, give one example of reversible physical change. So you will say stretching of rubber, folding of paper, melting of ice. These all are physical change. There is no new substance is formed, but it is reversible. Some are irreversible physical change. For example, cutting of paper. Cutting of paper is a physical change. No new substance is formed, but it is irreversible. You cannot get back the original paper. Grinding of wheat. wheat को पीस दिए हैं, we cannot get back the wheat. आटा मिला हमको, we get the flour. It has same characteristic as of wheat, but can we get the wheat again? No. But is new substance formed? No. So this change is physical. This change is physical irreversible change. Means change is physical, new substance is not formed, but it is still irreversible. And these are reversible, means the change that can be reversed back to original substance by changing the condition. You have melted the ice. When you heated the ice, it changed into liquid. Reverse the condition. You cool it. Again it will become solid. So if you reverse the condition, you can get back the original substance. Okay? So physical change can be reversible or irreversible. See, in this chapter you have to keep in mind examples. Some definitions are also there, but the examples should be there in your mind. One more thing I am saying. See, one example can be placed in different places also. For example, yesterday I told you slaking of lime. Slaking of lime is a exothermic change. But if someone asks you whether it is a chemical change, you will say yes, it is a chemical change because new substance is formed. And same example you can also place in exothermic change because heat is produced. Same example, for example, if I am telling rusting is the example of slow change. Yes, rusting is the example of slow change, but during rusting new substance is formed. That is also example of chemical change. Burning of firecracker, that is a fast change, but at the same time it is also a chemical change because new substance is formed, sound is produced, light is produced, gases are produced. So when you burn a cracker, new substance is formed, that is a chemical change. So one example you can place in different places also. For example, ripening of fruit. तो फ्रूट पका है तो कुछ नया बना, जब वो कच्चा था तो वो खट्टा लगता था, अब वो पका है तो वो मीठा लगता है. तो मतलब इन दोनों के बीच में कुछ तो अंतर है. कच्चा आम खट्टा लगता था, पका हुआ आम मीठा लगता है, मतलब कोई नया सब्सटेंस का फॉर्मेशन हुआ है. तो दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ केमिकल चेंज. At the same time, if I ask you rusting, tell me what you can say about rusting. So you can say rusting is a slow change, rusting is a irreversible change, rusting is a chemical change. If I ask you slaking of lime is a exothermic change, it is also a chemical change. If I ask you bursting of cracker, you can say bursting of cracker is the fast change, it is a chemical change. If I ask you cutting of paper, it is a irreversible physical change. Folding of paper, it is reversible physical change. Grinding of wheat, it is irreversible physical change. So these are the things that you have to keep in mind. Okay, so you must keep in mind the examples. Example is most important. Question will be, give some example of irreversible change, give some example of irreversible physical change, give some example of reversible physical change, give some example of slow change, give one example of fast change, give one example of chemical change. Ripening of fruit is a chemical change or physical change. Like this question will be asked. So you should focus in this chapter, you should focus on the examples. Grab as much example as you can and you keep on asking. Okay, hope you understand what is physical change. Still, if anyone have any problem, you can ask in the morning. Thank you.